In this video, I'm going to show you a ready-to-use Excel template that lets you clean, format and validate addresses. All you need to do is to input your addresses and press a button. The tool will then format the locations and fill in any missing details for you. That means you will get back the full address, the street, city, state or province, the postal and country code, the country name and even the latitude and longitude. Now you don't even have to input the full address. It can be just a building name, a landmark, only the postal code, just the city name or even GPS coordinates. That doesn't really matter, and the tool supports addresses from all over the world. Also, if you have a typo in your address, the tool will fix it and return the corrected version. And if it cannot match the input to any real place, it will tell you that it's invalid. Now to format and validate the addresses, the tool uses Google Maps under the hood, so you will get the most accurate results. For that to work, you will need a Google Maps API key. Setting it up is free and only takes a couple of minutes. With that key, Google gives you 10,000 address validations per month completely for free. And if you go over that limit, they will charge you $5 for every additional 1,000 validations. Now, and the Excel template itself is a one-time purchase. So you buy it once and you can use it forever, no subscription needed. Once you purchase it, you will get a welcome email that includes a getting started video. In that short video, I will show you step by step how to set everything up. Now to use the template, you will need the desktop version of Excel. That could be Excel 365 or even an older version. The oldest version it supports is Excel 2007. So if you've got anything in between, you're good to go. Also, the tool works on macOS, not just Windows. Alright, so I hope you find this template useful and that it saves you a ton of time. Thanks for watching.